Okay, right now this morning I kind of shoveled the dirt, poured the weeds. This afternoon, I will mix the soil together. Just put some combination of topsoil, compost, and cow manure to spread over the garden. Then the garden is ready to plant. So I want to show you what kind of soil I'm using. Pretty cheap soil I'm buying. This one called the compost pit. It's only $2 something. This one enriched the topsoil, 100 natural organic. It's $2 something. This one is a well decomposed black cow manure. Okay, soon we can plant vegetables. Soon we can plant seeds. Just make my garden look like this. It's easier for me just to put the seeds in. First, I want to plant some spinach. So what I planted here, I planted spinach, green beans, 茼蒿, 油麦菜. Then is Chinese vegetables. I don't know how to say it in English. Then I planted some carrots, and I planted little turnips because I want these turnips to make seeds. Okay, later on the last row, I want to plant sunflower. Now I will cover. I put the bamboo sticks along the place where I planted the seeds to help me to not step on it before the seeds germinate. They just help me to know where are the seeds I planted. Now I want to go get my sunflower seeds. Okay, this is a black oil sunflower seeds. I'm going to plant on the edge. This sunflower seeds is for me to grow sunflower microgreen, but I want to plant some outside. This planting this sunflower seeds for me is first time. I want to experiment. I want to grow my own sunflower seeds. So later on, I have lots of seeds. We will see. Are you? Now I am ready to work in another garden. Okay, for that area, that garden for the half towards the yard, I want to grow some baby arugula, collard green, kale, and some beets. This is the seeds I sowed in January, and today is March the 2nd, 2025. Actually, almost everything you can sow it. You notice that I don't plant each vegetable a lot because this vegetables are planted just for us to eat. If I plant each variety a lot, then I feel like I waste a lot in the previous years. So I learned just to plant each type of vegetables a little bit, because lots of vegetables you don't just pull and finish them. You can actually just keep picking up the leaves and it continue growth. That's why for each vegetables, I only plant like 8 to 10 seeds. You know, later on, sometimes I sow too much seeds, you know, then later on I can share the little baby plants to other people, let other people plant. Okay, I planted some arugula and beets. Okay, now I want to plant some collard green, one row of collard green and one row of kale. Then on the edge of the garden, next to the fence, I want to plant some more black oil sunflower. Okay, I finished the planting for today. Look. Wow, today I planted lots of stuff here. Goodness. I planted a sunflower, kale, collard, beets,油麦菜 arugula, and turnips, 茼蒿, green bean, spinach. Okay, I still have a lot to plant, but for tonight, I think I finished for today. For tomorrow, I still want to grow some dandelion next time. I still have a lot of summer vegetables to plant. Right now, what I'm planted is not really for summer. You can eat from, right now it's March, so you can eat April. Oh, I forgot to plant some Chinese vegetables. Some of them. Okay. For now, it's good. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope your garden is doing great too, and you are tell me what you are planting in your garden right now, March 2nd, 2025. I live in Houston, Texas. See you next time. Bye. Have a great evening. Have a great day. Tomorrow is Monday. Hope we all have a wonderful Monday. Bye.